Hello, my name is Amber Lemser. I currently am an elementary art educator in Southwest Arkansas. I teach first and third through fifth grades. My research project is titled Backwards Design with Choice-Based Learning Implemented as a Team. Working with Understanding by Design curriculum in a choice-based learning environment is my main objective. Rationale and connections are backward design helping a tab environment. How will backwards design provide elementary art educators with a curriculum that may aid a tab environment? How will backwards design create a curriculum setup that is beneficial for student inquirers? Will backwards design help the development of classroom management and procedures? And will it help instructional outcomes for student learning? My main questions for this project are: how will backwards design help art educators plan for choice-based learning? How will a choice-based learning environment be structured, or what structure would work best with the aid of backwards design planning? And how will this experience help the growth of students and educators? I'm very intrigued by all the knowledge I gathered on this subject matter. The main things I focused on were what backwards design was, what choice-based environments were, and how they were connected. BD was created by J. McTeague and Grant Wiggins. The idea of the curriculum is to focus on the objectives of the lesson first, then establish ideas around activities and assessments. The curriculum planning helps evaluate students' understanding of knowledge and for the teacher to grasp new understandings on different perspectives of learning. Nan Hathaway describes choice-based learning as centers, which are areas that contain supplies, materials, directions, and references for students to use independently to create artwork. Most choice-based art environments are created in the likeness of a professional artist studio, giving the students the opportunity to explore just like a professional artist. When you put these two together, you see some strong similarities. They both have emphasis on personal reflections, artist statements, essential questions, and pure critiques as noted in Catherine Douglas and Julie Toole's 2015 article, which leads me to believe these two elements will work well together. I'll be conducting a qualitative research with my main emphasis on curriculum research with the aid of action research. Douglas Clance defines curriculum research as the construction of instructional materials. He also examines how scientific research can be joined with curriculum research, which is much like the experience I hope to have in my own research project. With this curriculum study, it will be tied to an action research, too. Where I find myself, the educator will become part of the study as noted by the authors Abbott, Gizmon, Lovely, and Summerfield, who are authors from the Glossary of Educational Reform. I will be using an IRB consent and assent letters for my parents and students. I will also be writing a letter to my principal to make sure everything is okay to start the research. I plan to collect my data from this research through observation, pictures, assessment collections, and note-taking. As I review this data, I will be noting any issues or achievements made by myself and the students using curriculum that the research Nelson Graph used. I will also be blogging about the process for other educators to view and give insight on as well. As I get ready for the new adventure, I am planning ideas for my tab room setup, looking at BD templates to align my curriculum, building a blog to monitor my progress. I am very excited to see how it will all go.